In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and delete your history on the ElevenLabs platform efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, keeping your workspace organized is crucial, and one way to do that is by clearing out unnecessary history. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate through the interface and manage your history with ease. To begin with, we take a look at how to access the History section on the ElevenLabs platform. Depending on whether you're using simple mode or advanced mode, the location of the History tab can differ slightly. For those using simple mode, you'll find the History tab conveniently located on the left side of your screen, right next to the Generate option. This layout is designed for straightforward navigation, ensuring that all essential options are easily accessible. On the other hand, if you're operating in advanced mode, the History tab appears in the panel located on the right side of your screen. This mode offers a more comprehensive view, accommodating users who need a broader range of controls and features. Understanding your workspace and knowing where to find the History section is vital, as it sets the foundation for effective management. Once you've located the History tab, the next step is to dive into managing it. You'll want to click on the Manage History icon, which is typically found within the History section itself. This icon is your gateway to seeing an overview of your past activities and is instrumental in maintaining order. Referencing widely recognized resources like YouTube can also provide additional guidance if needed. After clicking the icon, you'll be guided to a comprehensive list, showing all your recorded actions within the platform. Now, it's time to make your selections. Carefully go through the list of history items presented and choose those you wish to remove. Whether it's clearing out clutter or eliminating accidental entries, selecting the right items is an essential part of the cleanup process. A discerning approach to selection ensures that you maintain only the most relevant data, streamlining your workflow and enhancing efficiency. After making your selections, look for the Delete button. This step is simple but significant, as clicking the Delete button finalizes the removal of your selected history items. It's important to confirm the action, understanding that it's a deliberate choice to tidy up your digital space. Removing these items not only declutters your workspace, but also helps in maintaining a focus on active and current projects. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and delete your history on the ElevenLabs platform. Keeping your history in check not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances the overall user experience, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for joining us today, and happy organizing.